Hello, fellow explorers. Today we embark on an exciting journey. Welcome to AI GLOB, your portal to the fascinating and ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence. AI is changing our world in amazing and unprecedented ways, transforming industries and daily life. From self-driving cars that navigate our streets to personalized medicine that tailors treatments to individual needs, AI is rapidly becoming an integral part of our daily lives, making tasks easier and more efficient. In this essay, we'll embark on a journey to demystify AI, exploring its incredible potential and the science behind it. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a professional in the field, or just curious about the future, join me as we unravel the mysteries of this transformative technology, understanding its impact and future possibilities. Get ready to be amazed by the wonders of AI and the endless possibilities it brings to our world. So, what exactly is artificial intelligence? In simple terms, AI refers to computer systems designed to mimic human intelligence. Imagine a computer that can learn, reason, and make decisions like we do. AI aims to replicate our cognitive abilities such as problem-solving, learning from experience, and understanding language. By processing vast amounts of data and identifying patterns, AI systems can perform tasks that traditionally required human intelligence. One of the most remarkable aspects of AI is its ability to learn and adapt. Just like we learn from our experiences, AI systems learn from data. This data can come from various sources, including images, text, and sensor readings. Through sophisticated algorithms, AI systems analyze this data, identify patterns, and make predictions. The more data they process, the better they become at their tasks, constantly refining their knowledge and improving their accuracy. Section 4. AI in action, putting thought into practice. Now let's talk about what AI can actually do. AI is no longer just a concept, it is a reality that is seamlessly integrating into various aspects of our lives. AI systems are capable of performing a wide range of tasks that were once thought to be exclusive to humans. These systems can analyze vast amounts of data, learn from patterns, and make decisions with incredible speed and accuracy. From recognizing objects in images to understanding and responding to natural language, AI is transforming the way we interact with technology. AI can translate languages in real time, breaking down communication barriers and fostering global connections. It can write different kinds of creative content, from articles and stories to poetry and scripts, showcasing its versatility and creative potential. AI can also answer your questions in an informative way, providing instant support and assistance. Whether it's through virtual assistants or chatbots, AI is making information more accessible and interactions more efficient. Section 5. AI revolutionizing industries. The impact of AI is being felt across various industries, revolutionizing the way we live and work. In healthcare, AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases with greater accuracy and develop personalized treatment plans. In finance, AI is being used to detect fraud, manage investments, and provide personalized financial advice. The possibilities are limitless. Section 6. Embracing the future with AI. As we venture further into the age of AI, it's clear that this technology has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing challenges. From improving healthcare outcomes to addressing climate change, AI is revolutionizing the way we approach problems. In healthcare, AI algorithms can predict patient outcomes, personalize treatments, and even assist in complex surgeries. Meanwhile, in environmental science, AI helps in monitoring ecosystems, predicting natural disasters, and optimizing resource use. AI can be a powerful tool for good. Imagine robots that can assist in search and rescue missions, or AI systems that can provide real-time data during natural disasters, helping to save lives and reduce damage. The possibilities are endless. By embracing AI and harnessing its power responsibly, we can create a brighter future for all. Collaboration is key. Diverse teams working together can drive innovation and ensure that AI solutions are inclusive and equitable. Sustainable AI innovations can lead to a more balanced and fair world. Stay tuned to AI GLOB as we continue to explore the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence and its impact on our world. From industry transformations to societal shifts, AI is at the forefront of change. We will bring you the latest trends, breakthroughs, and discussions from experts in the field. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep wondering. The journey with AI is just beginning, and the future holds endless possibilities. Let's embrace this exciting era together.